Welcome! If you want a little more privacy on Snapchat, turning on ghost mode is the way to go. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable ghost mode and keep it on until you decide to turn it off. First things first, open your Snapchat app. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings live. Next, look toward the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This is where you can manage everything related to your account, including privacy options. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy Control. Under that, tap on My Location. This is where Snapchat lets you control who can see where you are on the Snap Map. Once you're inside the location settings, you'll see an option for Ghost Mode. Go ahead and toggle Ghost Mode on. When this is enabled, your location becomes invisible to everyone on Snapchat, giving you complete privacy. After turning it on, Snapchat will ask how long you want ghost mode to stay active. To keep your location hidden until you decide otherwise, choose until turned off.